Can the Prime Minister please tell Australians what is the updated cost of the government's full 10-year company tax cut?
The tax cuts for business enterprise tax cuts already passed have a 10-year cost of $24 billion, which I said was around half of the total package, and I'm reminded by the Treasurer the second part of the package would have a 10-year cost of $26 billion. So it is around half of the $50 billion package.
What is the updated cost of the Prime Minister's full 10-year company tax cut?
I confirm the answer the Prime Minister gave previously in relation to the original plan, Mr Speaker, and the full cost is $36.5 from 1 July 17.
Given that $10.5 billion was added from one answer to the next, how much is this government actually planning to give away to big business? What is the total cost of corporate tax cuts from the 1st of July 2017, both legislated and proposed to be legislated by this government?
The Treasurer has the call.
$65.4 billion.
The government has just announced a $65.4 billion handout to business, including big business. How are you going to pay for it?
I'll firstly clear up what appeared to be some confusion on the other side. The government's 10-year enterprise tax plan began last year. It began on the 1st of July 2016, and the cost over 10 years. The cost over 10 years is, as I described, $50 billion. In terms of 10 years from 1st of July 2017, the cost is $65 billion, of which around $29.5 billion are for the legislated saves already, for reductions, for savings for business, cost of the budget, but legislated reductions, and $35 billion for the balance.
In the answer to the same question, the government has given 5 different answers to the full updated cost of its big business handout. My question is, why didn't any of these numbers appear in the budget papers or the Treasurer's speech on Tuesday night?
The Treasurer and I have accurately described the 10-year cost of the enterprise tax plan from 2016, which is when it began, and then the Treasurer updated that for a decade from 1 July 2017. But it is a 10-year enterprise tax plan which is in operation and began on the 1st of July last year. So the answer I gave was absolutely accurate and consistent with what the government has produced. And the Leader of the Opposition's pathetic attempt to misrepresent this, it is pathetic. It is so desperate.